Hi everyone, welcome back to a new unboxing. This time we'll unbox a new group. Well, a group that I didn't have an album of, which is Ateez. This one is Zero Fever Part 3. So let's go and begin the unboxing. So, yeah. Mm-hmm. Seems like I have some problems with my sound, so let's let's fix that and come back. Okay, so I fixed the problem with my sound. Okay, so here's the album. I will put the pictures on the thumbnail of the video. So, okay. It was gentle because I didn't want the CD to fall out. So, I don't remember which edition of the album it is called. I know they all have a name, but I don't remember the name. I just remember that it's the orange one. So yeah. So the CD. I'm so scared to spoil myself with the photo card. Ugh. Oh God. I think I spoiled one of them at least. So okay. This is the picture book. So let me show you a bit inside. So I chose this particular version because I found that the picture were the prettiest. So that's why. Yeah, Yunho and I we match. Yeah. For a second, I was worried if I mixed him up with Jung-ho, which used to happen when I first began to be an Ateez. So yeah, that's why. The pictures are really, really, really beautiful. Look at those of your song. So pretty. So yeah. I'm so stressed. Oh yeah. I heard about the concept of. I'm sure I will spoil myself, but yeah, the concept of the lyrics books. It's there's a big picture of the members, and so this is Young Jun, and this behind him there's the track list, and then each member has the lyrics of one song behind him. So Songhwa has Eternal Sunshine that we just heard. Yunho has Feeling Like I Do, and etc. So yeah, the pictures are really pretty too. Yeah. Well, Jung-ho had kind of nothing behind him, but yeah, still a really pretty picture. So, what's that? Oh, the sticker. So this is the sticker. We have a card, and well, I heard you have some kind of rewards from buying albums, so that could be cool. The photo cards. I have 2 of them, and one of them I spoiled myself, so I'm hoping not the both of them are the same members. My bias is Songhwa, so I'm hoping to have a photo card of him. And my bias record is Hongjun, but these past few weeks I had kind of a crush on Yunho and Yosan. So. But anyway, I will be happy with either member I have. So the first card is San. Is that right? Oh yeah, that's San. And the second, the one that I spoiled myself, is Anjun. So yeah. So I knew I would get him. Yeah. Really happy. Can't wait to actually listen to the album. Obviously, before I bought it, I listened to it, but that's not the same when you listen to a physical copy of the CD. So yeah. So tell me if you liked the video. You can like, comment, and share. So thanks for watching.